So we've just finished a empowered birth workshop. It was awesome. Yeah,
it was very good.
It was very good.
Great feedback.
Great feedback. Parents left feeling empowered. So the main comments that we've got was that they felt empowered, informed, that they felt ready, that they can walk into their births and know exactly what they needed to do. A lot of the comments were that they could use their voice, which they didn't think they could, that they had choices.
Yep. And that they actually understood the process a lot more, and that made them feel a lot more comfortable about the birth process that was ahead of them.
Oh, it was so good. And for the dads, for the birth partners to leave knowing what their role was, that, you know, that orgasmic birth is a thing that could happen. They love that.
The partners love that.
The partners love that. You know, and really to talk about how to create an environment that is open and that allows the body to be in the creative mode as opposed to the fight or flight system, and you know, making, you know, showing the birth partners that that's actually their main role, as being the pillar to hold that space. So good workshop. We had a lot of people here. Right. This was our biggest yet, so we had 21 people in this room. It's a bit squashy, but you know, it was good. Good energy.
Yeah, it was very good. Very positive comments at the end. So great.
Yeah, and these parents, we're going to, you know, we've got a signal group, so we're going to keep in contact, and the community happening for these parents as they go forward. And they're going to be able to come back with us with questions, and we're there available for them. So I'm very excited to see what happens with these people and their babies.
I'm feeling very, very nourished to have been able to share all this wonderful knowledge and information and insights. I feel very filled, very filled.
It's such an honour. It's such an honour to witness, you know, the transformation before our eyes, just by sitting here and watching these beautiful parents just grow in confidence and excited about their baby and what lies ahead. It's so cool. It's so cool. And how awesome to work together.
I know.
Yeah.
Such a great team.
Such a great team. Lots of laughing. Talk about poo a lot, and and sex and orgasms, and it's fun. Lots and lots of fun and lots of laughs. Great. So we've got a couple of other ones booked in. So if you know of any pregnant parents, or you're a pregnant parent yourself and you're looking for a kick-ass empowered birth workshop, we're your ladies.
Absolutely.
So go into our our Instagram page, Sacred Birth and Mothering, if you want to know more, or Evonne Wildheart on Instagram, and your midwife Maloney. Yeah. So if you want more information and be kept up to date to what is happening with us, go and follow us, and hopefully we'll see you soon.
Hopefully. I'll try and put something on there at some point.
Much love. Okay. Bye.